Hello, Doctor. Today I'll be presenting our code for our COA Lab 3. Our group consists of me, Tison Kiet, and my partner is Aaron Tan Yong Zhen. Okay, here you have the question part 1C. The program is about loop and add. Basically, we have to enter two numbers, and those two numbers will multiply by 6, which is the number of sides on a hexagon, and we get the the parameter of the hexagon. Here I'll demonstrate with my code. This is my code, and we can demonstrate here 5 4 because a hexagon has 6 sides, so 5 times 6 is 30, 4 times 6 is 24, and total added number is 24. We can run another time, which now we output 6 and 8. 6 times 6 is 36, 8 times 6 is 48, and total parameter of the two hexagons is 84. Next, another input, 3 and 2. 3 times 6 is 18, 2 times 6 is 12. The total parameter for hexagon 1 and 2 is 30. So here is my code. The data, here's the outputs or you will output the prompts and basically not the values, just the messages. Then we will print the values later. Here is the code. Here is to display the prompt message. Input the first hexagon side, so like 5 or 4. Then calculate the perimeter. Calculate this. This is to output the side value and perimeter for hexagon 1 and for hexagon 2. And this is to calculate the total output of hexagon 1 and 2. And that is all for this question. The next question is this, where we will have to write a program to where we input 6 integers, and we ask the computer to add up those specific 3 values to get us the value. So this will be the even will be the first value, third value, and the fifth value, while the odd is the second value, the fourth value, and sixth value, because of this question, the prompt or the question that doctor gave us, because hello 0 is first value, hello 8 is third value, hello 16 is fifth value, and so on. Okay, here I'll demonstrate with my code. Okay, so the first one is 2, 65, 77, 89, 14, and 54. Here we can base it out of the PDF, where I have chosen these numbers specifically because they are on the PDF, where we got 32, 65, 77, 89, 14, 54, which it will sum up as 123 and 208, because 32 plus 77 equals to 109 plus 14, which 109 plus 14 is 123. And next is 65 plus 89 plus 54, which the total is 208. Next, I'll demonstrate 2 more times using my code. 20. This is just so 20 plus 40 plus 60 will be 120. 15 plus 30 plus 45 will be 90. Our final time, which will be so 40 plus 80 plus 120 equals to 240, 50 plus 100, 100 plus 150 equals to 300. That is because these are the values that we asked it to calculate. The even we'll ask to calculate the first value, the third value, and the fifth value, and odd will calculate the second value, the fourth value, or the sixth value based on this question, based on this. And that here's my code. Here's the data where it will give us the prompt, and here's the main code where this will calculate the sum of the integers at even, basically, which is the third value, the first value, the third value, and the fifth value, and sum of odd values will be the second value, the fourth value, and the sixth value. And this will output the sum of even and odd. Even though the question it says even and odd, it doesn't give it. We don't calculate even and odd. We just calculate the first value and third value and fifth value for even, second, fourth, and sixth for odd value. My code is based on that. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi, I'm Aaron Tangundan. So today I'm going to present Battery Part 2C. So in this part, we will be creating a menu-driven program that integrates two functionalities. So calculating the parameters of hexagons and summing integers at even and odd indices in an array. So this is a full code for this part. Okay, and this is the data section, and this is the code section. Okay, so uh, the data section of the assembly code is where we define all the constants, messages, and variables that will be used throughout the program. Okay, so this is the message for program 1, and this part is to display the instruction for the user. Okay, this site hex 1, site hex 2 dword is the variable to store the side lengths of the hexagons, and this part is the display of the result for the program 1. And this perimeter hexagon 1, 2, and total perimeter is variables to store the calculated parameters. Okay, and next is the program 2, message for the program 2. So same, this part is the instruction part. Okay, and this part is the okay. So for the hello keyword, okay, is an array to store the 6 integer input by the user. Okay, and the total odd and total even is a variable to store the sum of integers at odd and even indices. Okay, so this one is the same message for the main menu and the exit part. Exit part. Okay, so now we go to the code section. So the code section contains the main logic of the program and divided into procedures. Okay, so first for the main procedure, okay, is the menu part, and display the main menu and reads the user's choice. Okay, and then next is the branch based on choice. So this part is use the conditional statement CMP and JE to jump to the appropriate procedure based on the user's choice. So user can enter one or two for the for choosing program 1 or program 2. So next part from here until here is the program 1 part, and then this one is the program 2 code. Okay, I think until here. Okay, so can refer to the program 2. Okay, So next part is the continue or exit part. So from from here until here. Okay. So for the continue or exit part, okay, this section prompts the user to decide whether to continue with the program or exit the program. So this is the prompt for the continuation, and it will display a message asking the user if they want to return to the main menu or exit. Okay, and then next is the yeah, this part is the runs based on user input. So we use a conditional statement to either return to the main menu or exit the program. Okay, so now we can build the project and debug it. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the what? This is the main menu. So you can choose one or two for program one and two. Okay, so we refer to the instruction. Okay, so we choose the program one first. Okay, so for program one, we enter 21 for the hexagon one and 32 for the hexagon two. Okay, so the result is same with the example. Okay, so next we press Y, then choose 2 for the program 2. So and enter the input. Okay, so 20, 25, 30, 37, 40, and 43. Yeah, so the result is same with the example. So now we enter Y for the exit. Okay, so when we enter N. Okay, so yeah, same. Okay, so we try run again for the to check the is that correct. Okay, so we run again. Okay, so one. Okay, then first is 5 and 4. Okay, same with the example. Okay, Y2. Okay, and 32, 65, 77. Okay, okay, so same with the example. So to exit. So I think that's all for my part. Okay, thank you.